Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account that you have logged into within the AFK Journey game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AFK Journey game on your device and make sure that you are logged into the account that you wish to delete. Now, once you begin your journey, you can tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner and you will now see the gear icon. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on Others. From here, tap on Account and then click on the More option. Now you can simply click on the Delete Account button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to proceed forward. Just confirm your decision and you might be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your account first. After typing in this code and confirming your identity, your account will be scheduled for deletion. And if you don't log back in for another 3 weeks, your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the AFK Journey game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.